Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to Knowledge Fest Dallas 2022. And in this show, we're going to highlight something that we don't really get to ever take a look at. I'm pretty excited to show this to you guys. We're going to head over to the Ground Zero booth, and you can join us. Welcome to the show. Well, good morning, sir. How are you?
Good. How about you?
Oh, you know, it's early in the morning and we're talking about car audio.
And apparently motorcycles.
I was gonna say, you know, as soon as I said that, I was like, wait a minute, this isn't car audio, this is motorcycle audio.
I mean, it's a good blend of both, though, isn't it? Kind of have fun with them.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, for the viewers of the show, why don't you introduce yourself?
I'm Andy Smith with HKI USA, which is Ground Zero, Sound Digital, Ford Connect. That's about all we got.
I was like, he's carrying that off and he's gonna...
I was trying to come up with some more. I was gonna make up some brands, but no.
Well, what are we looking at here today?
Okay, we got a 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide that Lee from Dirty's built and brought out for us. Beautiful little bike, nice 6-speaker, nothing crazy, but
this is 6 speakers.
It is 6 speakers. Well, I guess that's how we consider it. We don't count the horn tweeters as actual speaker, so all we have is 6 speakers in this bike. 4 8s, 2 10s, and 4 tweeters.
Okay, because I was doing it in my head. I'm going, wait, okay. 'Cause I know there's more than 6 speakers. All right, well, that's something. Well, thank you. Now I've learned something new today. All right, thanks for watching, guys. And we're out of here. Oh, no, let's keep going. Now, yesterday we had to sit here all day, and you kept playing this. And it was a great conversation stopper.
But it also started a lot of conversations. It would draw a crowd over because it doesn't look like it's going to do what it does. So, yes, if you're trying to talk and we turn this thing on, good luck.
Oh, take luck, my friend, for sure. So why don't we go through it and tell us what we have.
All right. Well, like I said, it starts out as a 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. It's got Advan Black 8-inch lids. We have Ground Zero, as most people call them, red baskets. So a GZ CM 8N Pro in each lid. And then we've got the GZ CT 20N Pro horns in the lid. Below the Advan Black lids, it's actually a Top Shop is the brand. Bags and rear fender. Inside the bags, we've got the new GZ HW 10 SPL flat subs, 4-inch deep, little airspace, ported bags. They get down, we have a lot of fun with them. That's pretty much all that's in the back. And then we go up to the front, another set of the red basket 8s in the fairing, another set of the 20N Pros. Then inside there, it's actually all powered by Power Sports amps over here. There's a 800.4 Evo PS running all the horns. There is a 2000.4 running the 4 8s. And then there's a 2400.1 running the 2 10s in the bags. It's got a Ground Zero 4-8X2 DSP so that we can actually tune it out and make it sound right. So,
what is it using for a source unit?
They've actually got a Sony XAV AX7000 in this one.
Oh, wow.
So
very nice.
It does all right.
Oh, okay. This is the one thing I want to say about this bike is you guys have had tons of bikes before in the past.
Yes.
But this one, Carl was even over here yesterday and he was tweaking it and listening to it and jamming on it. This thing, and somebody said to me last night, they were like, yeah, I kept hearing this motorcycle and I went over there and I was like, God, man, that thing it actually sounds really, really good.
That's the fun part. There are loud motorcycles everywhere, but to make them sound good, it takes a lot. I can't really say it takes a lot. You got to have the right equipment and set it up properly. This thing's actually set up pretty good. We've had a lot of fun with it yesterday while we were able to play it. So it's
yeah.
We had a little war back and forth with another booth, and you know, we just like to draw a crowd. So,
well, since it's a crowd of 2, let's turn this thing on and see what it sounds like.
Works for me.
Dude, this thing is amazing.
Like I said, it's a fun little 6-speaker bike.
6 speakers. You guys are funny.
All right, 10. Still at 6.
Yeah.
All right, I should probably get some stuff done, but let me make sure my shoes are tied real quick.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that is perfect. Nice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for demoing this amazing bike. You guys have a great night as always. See you later.
See you guys.
Bye.